Quick update on the BIQU E3D Revo install. I have since taken it out, and I am now running a new calibration on the stock nozzle because the Revo nozzle is now out. I can't deal with it. It's out for now. I've had some print problems that didn't show initially. Initially, everything looked great, but then after a while, my infill was horrible. I recalibrated the machine. I did filament calibrations, and unfortunately, this is the result. So while I know this is a prime tower, the prime tower, you can see some issues. Look how that orange is not fully all the way across, but yet on a stock nozzle, it is. Not here, but there. Infill was horrible. Here's an example, and I'll post another picture. This is the infill. Top surfaces look great. Infill, on the other hand, looked horrible. Now, this is cubic, and I switched to gyro and I had the same situation. So, yeah, this isn't working, so I had to pop it out. I don't have time and patience right now, but maybe I'll revisit it. Yeah. So I'm probably going to reach out to the company to see if they have any tricks or tips. So maybe there's a problem with the nozzle. I'm not sure, but that's where we're at. Unfortunately, we're back to the stock. At least I know it works, right?